The time orb is gone! I need your help, right now! Wait, don't scroll. If you are watching this, the timeline is breaking. The time orb is gone. I need your help, right now. Whoa! Something is pulling me. Hold on tight. I can't hold it. See you on the other side. Ouch! My back! That was a very bumpy ride. Where am I? This is not my room. Look at these mushrooms. They are taller than trees. Everything here is glowing. It is like a dream. Oh no! No, no, no! My backpack is gone. Have you seen it? It is a blue backpack. I must find it. My whole life is in that bag. Blue backpack. Where are you hiding? Bloop, bloop. What is on my head? Is it a hat? You are very cute, but I am in a hurry. Wait, did you see a blue bag around here? It is a long walk for a little guy like you, huh? Wait, there it is. I found it. It is way up there. But how can I reach it? It is too high. Okay, Leo, you can do this. Just one big jump. 1, 2, 3, jump! Hope! Almost got it! Almost got it! Yes! I have got you now! Phew, that was a close call. I am so glad you are safe, my little blue friend. Wait, what? It is empty? How? The time orb is missing! This cannot be happening! Let's see. When was the last time I saw it? Let me remember. I remember now. I was sleeping like a baby. The glitch took it while I was dreaming. It is very strange. Where did he go? Let me think. The glitch is small and fast. Oh, did he leave any clues behind?
Rumble, rumble.
What was that? Did you feel that shaking? It is like an earthquake. Is something big coming? The noise is coming from that big cave. I am not afraid anymore. Let us find that thief. We have to move. Come on, let us go. Follow me into the adventure. We're almost there. I can see the mountain. Don't stop now. We have to find that thief. Whoa! This cave is huge. Whoa! It looks very dark in there. Maybe it is a bit too dark. Okay, here we go. Don't be scared, Leo. I cannot see a thing. It is too dark. I need a flashlight. Let me check my bag. Where is my flashlight? Let me check my backpack. Wait, what? A banana? I'm not hungry right now. Come on, not again. A rubber chicken? That is not a flashlight. Aha! Yes! Finally! I found it! My trusty flashlight! Click! Let there be light! Now the glitch cannot hide from me. Wait! Look at the floor! Rabbit footprints! But they are glowing! The glitch went this way. Oh man! A broken bridge! The lava is so bright! And it looks very hot. If we jump, we will fall. We need another way to get to the other side. A bridge! I need a new bridge. Wait, what is that hanging from the ceiling? Look! A bat vine! I can swing across. Watch me. It is strong enough. Okay, Leo, do not look down. 1, 2, 3. Wahoo! I am flying! I made it! That was easy! I am like a ninja! Wait, what is that shadow? Oh, it is huge! Something is blocking the way.
Rumble. Honk shoe.
It is a stone golem. He is giant. Shh! We must walk carefully. Very carefully. Do not make any noise, or he will wake up. Almost past him? Just a little bit more. Please do not sneeze, Leo. Please. Is that a stone bubble? That is so funny. Oh no! He is going to sneeze. Whoa! That was not a sneeze. Ew! Gross! That smells like old socks and rocks. It is so smelly! I cannot breathe. Run! Run away from the smell! I need fresh air! Faster, Leo, faster! Finally! Fresh air! Whoa! Look at this place! It is beautiful! There he is! The thief! He is playing with my time orb. Hey, come back here! Oh, you are in big trouble now! Wait for me! Stop! You are too fast! Come back here! I am almost there! You cannot run forever! Bloop bip ha ha! Catch me if you can! Whoa! I am so tired! He is like a lightning bolt! But look! He left a trail of light!
Hope! I got this! 1, 2, 3! I am gaining on him! Look!
Hey! Hey! Be careful! That is a very dangerous toy! If it breaks, the timeline will stop! Bip? Bloop zit? Wait! Come back! I just want to talk! Where did he go? He was right here! He is too fast! I cannot find him! It is very strange. No tracks? No noise. Where could he hide in this place? I see you. You cannot hide from me. Walk carefully. Zzz-ha-ha! Bip bloop! Wait! Don't go in there! The footprints are wet. Water is blue, right? Tell me, which one? I need your help. Which door should I choose? The red one or the blue one? Tell me fast. We are running out of time. Blue. You said blue. Let's go.
I'm in! But it's very quiet in here. Wait, why is the door locked?
Where did he go? This room is empty. I don't like this place. It's too blue. To pass, you must be B-R-A-V. I forget the word. B-R-A-V? How do I act B-R-A-V? Guys, act like a superhero. Shout it! I am B-R-A-V. I can do anything. Say it with me. B-R-A-V. Louder!
Yeah! That's it! I can hear you! Brave!
We did it! The wall is broken! Ha ha ha! I finally caught you! I've got you now. Give me back the orb. There is nowhere left for you to go. One more step and I will... Wait, why are you shaking? You're crying? But you're the thief. Suddenly, I understand. You're not bad. You're just lonely. You just wanted a friend.
Hey, look at this! Do you like toys? If I give you this toy, Will you give me the orb? Beep beep, bloop.
There you go. You have a new friend now. And I have the orb back. We're both happy. We did it! We saved the timeline! Everything is back to normal. Look at the stars! Goodbye. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bloop bip zzz too. Mission accomplished. Let's go home. What a crazy day. Step 1. Put the orb in the pedestal. Nor. Step 2. Enjoy the peace and quiet. Timeline is stable. We were so brave, weren't we? Everything is perfect. Hey, what color was the door we chose? Red or blue? Comment your answer down below. Goodbye for now. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wait, what is that sound?
No, 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 no! Why is it black? Something is wrong. The orb is changing.
Guys, help me! It is happening again!
Wait, what is that sound? Beep bloop! See you soon!